The driver ahead swerves, but the car behind isn't paying attention. Total wreck. This guy cuts off a dashcam driver and pays for it instantly. Karma is real. Biker loses control and slides right under a car. That's gonna leave a mark. A risky pass goes wrong. He hits the barrier and loses a tire. Play stupid games. Don't block a tow truck. This driver got a very personal wake-up call. Mercedes versus electric bike. The bike loses. You can't just drive away from that. Group ride turns into a disaster. Slow down, kid. Your friends aren't targets. Is she looking for an ATM or a lawsuit? Definitely an insurance scammer. This delivery robot doesn't care about your corn. It's on a mission. A hit and run at high speed. Some people shouldn't have a license. Squeezing between two trucks? He's lucky it was only a side mirror. A 3-car train in Tianjin. When you're out of gas, you get creative. Quick reflexes saved the day here. A massive pileup avoided by inches. Wrong way driver. The biker never saw it coming. Stay alert out there. Running a red light on a scooter? That's a lesson he won't forget. An SUV on a crosswalk? Someone forgot how roads work today. A pedestrian's foot gets crushed. Thankfully, people rushed in to help. Wait for it, he hits that car on purpose. Anything for a free repair, right? Blinded by high beams, it's like driving into the sun. Stay calm. A random stop causes a crash, and the culprit just drives away. Unbelievable.